guys, today we're gonna play Don't Press the Button. Today, we just don't press the button. That's simple. I just realised I've got a Spork. And I've changed my character from last time. Because I got some Robux. Still got 100 Robux left. Still waiting. Oh, come on! Where is the button? I thought that was a button. Wait, what? Okay, never mind. Wait, it showed us a button. I walked off the map. Seriously? Big goofed. Okay, that's the worst thing I've ever done in my life. Really. I know this. You just have to stand here. Who did that? What is that around me? Cursed flames. It is the best. The edge is the best. To be honest with me. I've got 8 diamonds. And I'm cursed. Literally. Really annoying though. This is the bomb one, and this one's probably one of the most annoying ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like some. Oh no, not this. Okay, who's gonna be my victim? You are gonna be my first victim. Thank you. You are my first victim. Come on! Oh, come on again? No, it's not here, not here, not here, not here. I've never found the button. It's in the middle then. Wait, what? Why's this thing following me? Who found it though? Wait, what? Push it away! No, the other way! Okay, yeah, that's definitely off. Bye-bye. I am red. Yes, I am red. Not my favourite colour, blue is. This just takes so long though. What? The blues are really not doing anything. Wait, can't you just run with this? Nice. Nice. No one ever thought about running, you know? Who's gonna win? Yes, we won. Get in there. We got 288. That is pretty decent. Not the highest, but seen it before. Oh, come on. I mean, I'm super far. I should be fine. Literally. I don't want to get yeeted with the sword. Literally. That's not cool. Okay, I didn't get yeeted. That's fine. What happened to him? Oh no. Why this one? Nope. 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 No can do. No can do. I just saw Unicream die in front of me. No, this is so easy. It's hard, but easy at the same time. Whoa! You can't jump on the wrong time. It's like skipping ropes. Oh, come on. Can I survive this? Yes. Only did it for YouTube, and I survived it. Seriously. Out of all the songs, it's this one. Wait, what? Bye-bye. Fastest feet in the world. Especially better with the thing here. It's way better because it's slower, but then you get faster. There's a guy the other way over the side of the map. You literally could see my. You can't really see my feet. It's like Sonic. Oh. Wait. Nailed it. most of the people die. Apart from Unicream. He's running near me. Let's go. Oh no, 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 no. Go in the start, go in the start. Yes, I'm safe. I'm so safe here. I thought I was safe. Literally, that's just not cool. And I'm gonna give you 3 ticks. No! Spamming it though. Well, that was annoying. Big oofs. Get thrown a spork. Yes, this one. This one. I am now. Oh my gosh, he's taking so much. Who was in the picture? Okay, that is messed up. Literally, I've been holding a spork with the picture. It looks so wrong. Okay, let's press the button. Even though it doesn't say don't press the button, but who cares? I am now. I am so bigger, but then I can't see me. Literally, what was this? That was messed up. That is messed up. That is literally messed up. And this guy with no t-shirt. No! Yes! Get in there, get in there, get in there. Oh no, I almost forgot I can almost walk out. Come on. There we go. No! That is... there's people glitching on the ball now. Wait, so you can't walk out? Oh, I thought I was going to walk out again. Literally, how am I supposed to get the ball if this guy's flipping on me? No, we're not going to get the ball. Literally, that is impossible. Without a person who's literally jumping on the ball. Okay. That's what the soccer one's probably one of the hardest ones. I've got it once. Get in there. Fast. Really? No, 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 no. Are you kidding me? I dropped. That is not cool. Seriously? I dropped. I only just failed too. I had such a good reputation. Literally. I just saw Unikitty die, I think? You just fell from the height of the grate. Yeah, definitely her. Bye bye. Okay. You can see I've got curse because I've got purple. Wait, oh no, not the bombs. When I heard this song, it's the bombs. Seriously? Oh. That was not cool. That's sad. Trivia question. Speed coil. Speed coil. Yes, because I've got speed coil. I am rich. I've got 2,000 coins and 14 diamonds. There should be money taken out of me, but I don't think so. No, 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 no. Always. Some kind of new balls died to that. Don't move. I've got nothing. Jumping is technically not moving though, but it is at the same time. No! Run with it. Oh no, he's getting that. Yeah, I knew that was getting that. I'm stuck. How you, did you even see that? You rage. Where is my table? It literally just... Oh no, yeah, you. Oh no, you just fell. No! No, I am now stuck on the ground. No, move. Okay, yeah, I know who she's gonna get. Nope. Okay, now I've got it. Ellen, deal with it, glasses. Oh, Also, I have a group now, so you can check it in the description below, because I've got a new group now. Yeah, I definitely do. I got it yesterday. Whoa, I almost thought I died. But yes, I got a new group yesterday, so you should check it. If you play Roblox though. Let's go. No. Kidding me? No. I'm like this close to dying. Like the steps. Come on, my mouse got stuck. Now I've got to jump. I'm Mario. Oh no. Oh no. Mario style. Yeah, I am doing it Mario style. Oh no. Yes, I only just survived that. Okay, that was pretty lucky. Just jump that far. Okay, do it. Aw, thought jumping was not a move. Well, it is. And I'm still smiling. Okay, that's actually not cool. Green. Don't trust red, blue, or yellow. 3 of us managed to survive. Okay, well done. Wait, what? Oh no. Boulders again? Yes. Okay, that's sad. One person died. That's sad. That's sad. Out of all of them, it's this one. I'm not even going to sit down. Okay, I am not. Okay. You are not digested. So no. I'm jumping. I'm not gonna die. Oh, money. Oh no. Bye bye, Unikitty. I mean, you need cream. I think. I'm the one who still survives. Oh no. Seriously? That's cool. Still smiling, but it's still not cool. What is this? Is it though? Oh, come on. Another red? Wait, I can glitch up here if I wanted to, but I can't. I don't want to. I don't want to glitch the map. Do you know, I'm doing exactly the same thing as him. But I'm gonna do all the outers. Everyone's doing the walls. I don't think you should do the walls though. Who's gonna win? Red or blue? Yes! Get in there. We won. Only just actually, I think. Come on. Okay, that's better. It's great. Oh no. No! Bye bye. I'm cursed though. Are you? Something's wrong with you. Stop smacking me. You glitch now. Yeah, he's glitched. I thought everyone was stuck. Okay, he's died. I thought my server just glitched. Okay, we're gonna have to find the diamond. Everyone goes this way, so I'm just gonna imagine if it's this way. I'm not sure what the diamond looks like though. I thought it was that in that hole. I thought it was a diamond there, but it wasn't. Okay, where's the diamond? Where is it? How am I supposed to find a diamond if I don't know where the diamond is? Where is it? There. I found it. Hey. Do I collect something? Do I get anything? No, I don't. That's sad. Thought I got a reward or something like that, or a badge. But nope. The game developers are leaving me. Nope. See ya. No, don't try and cut me off. How? Why do you have to cut me off? Why you bully me? Probably after 4 more rounds, I'll probably have to stop because it'd be more fun to do 4 more rounds instead of 1. That'd be a bit more boring. So I wanted to make this video as fun as possible. There's so much space on this area where Unicream is, I think. If I can pronounce the name. Guessing no. Lasers. Oh no. Okay, yeah. This should be a good spot. Right in the middle too. Why does no one know this one? Done this one? Oh no. Oh, I thought they were stuck. Use the annoying. Come on. Lol. She's glitched. Literally, there's a person above you. Literally, it's just glitched though. This is like flying. Where did the person go? I thought it disappeared or something like that. So like 9 seconds left. Really? 9? Let's go. Whoa! No. Oh no. Bye bye. So quick though. Which I can go nearer and she can be like beat me. That's sad. It's not the speed. Oh! Oh. That's more sad. 2 more. Soccer. This is probably the hardest one. No! Literally. Why is it so hard, this one, though? No! Unicream. Literally, you wrecked my ball. My one. What are you doing? Going under the ball. Everyone's going under the ball. Why? You're blocking my chances. Bye-bye. Okay, you can't score. No one scored. Of course no one would score. I was about this close to being scoring. Last round. Oh, come on. For the last round? 2018. Okay. This was the last round. So leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you later. Goodbye.